We've got the Peplink Balance 20X router along with the FlexModule Mini Cat 18 modem, and we're going to show you how to install these two together. Start by unplugging your Balance 20X and get a Phillips head screwdriver ready. You'll use this to remove the plate that hides the expansion slot first. Use your nail to pry the cover off the router. Here's a look inside the expansion slot. Once the plate is off, we can take the module and with the antenna ports facing you, slide it into the expansion slot. Use light pressure to push the module all the way. It should sit flush with the rest of the router. Now we can reattach the screws to hold our module in place. Here's another look at the module in place. Next, let's remove the SIM slot cover and show you how to insert the SIM cards. Note the SIM card diagrams to the right of the slots. This shows what orientation the SIM card should be in when inserted. For slot A, we'll have the gold contacts face down and the notch side of the card will be inserted first. For slot B, the orientation is the reverse as we show here. We're going to use our SIM in slot A, so I'll move it back there and then we can take the cover and screw this back on to keep the SIM secure. The last thing we need to do before we can start using our Flex module is to attach the antennas. Since this is a Cat 18 LTE modem, it uses 4 total antenna ports. At minimum, we must use cellular main A and cellular auxiliary A ports, but using all 4 is best. That is what we're going to do. Here's a quick look at the router once everything is installed. Now that the physical installation is complete, we'll log into the web administration page to confirm the modem connects and is set up as a backup priority. This is done at 192.168.1.1. The connection will be displayed as cellular 1/1. At the top of the page, it's labeled as connection number 2. Our modem is stuck at obtaining an IP address, which is likely because it does not have the correct APN. We'll head to the Network tab and select the cellular 1/1 connection to edit it. We can rename the connection here if desired, otherwise I'm going to first set the connection priority to backup and select priority 2. Should you only have a cellular connection, this could instead be left at always on priority 1. We're also going to set the average bandwidth speeds for our cellular connection, which can help should we need to set up bandwidth limits and/or load balancing. On to the APN now. I'll set ours appropriately for our static IP address. If you need more information on applying access point names, check out our other video. When done here, click Save. Then click Apply Changes at the top right. We'll go back to the dashboard to check the status. It will go into this standby state, which means it is ready to connect should the priority 1 connection fail. Here's a quick look at how the connected status looks when the cellular is in priority 1. That sums it up for the Flex Module mini installation in the Peplink Balance 20X router. As usual, thank you for watching and please remember to subscribe for more videos like this.